Good attempt right there at the minute. And it has hit the side post. Very fortunate. Arand gets it back. Lalit Patil. Penetrating ball attempted from him. Shubham Potgan. Kalpak. That can be a goal, and it is. Wakad FC. 10. Played at the back. Pillai. Might curl it. That's a good one, but Lalit Patil always getting in the way of the opponents. Aniket now speeds things forward. Goes for it, and that could have been in. Important. Played at the back. Pillai quickly gets it forward. Lalit Patil just in time. Jeet denied of the ball possession. It plays the ball behind. Lalit Patil now moving forward. He has lost the ball in the process. Here's the strike off target, but corner kick. Kalpak. It's a good try and saved by Aniket Pawar. Goal kick for the taking. Just a single goal fetched in by Wakad FC early on. Manish Thakre has hit the ball in. Control does work out. Saurabh gets it away. The flick is good, and Jeet! What the hell? And Wakad FC just like that approach the referee as if they are confronting a lawyer. Play underway. Does touch the sole. The foot sole of Saurabh does get hit. Appeals for the handball. Are they on? Attempt on the turn finish. Was trying to use his heel or his ankle. Prithvi tackled in. It's up in the air. Headed on the inside. But to whom? Shubham Potgan. Played in. Dheeraj. Pritesh. Lalit Patil. Not gonna get the ball. Here's a strike. Saved by Aniket Pawar. A meticulous effort. Ranjit. That can be in, but Aniket Pawar, heroic. Speeds things up. Coming in the way is Pritesh Potgan. 3-on-1. Can this be in? Prithvi. Very well positioned. And he's... I thought he would take a direct one, but then the slipping. It caused to be a factor. Manish Thakre. It's good. Amazing. Bringing in the A game in terms of goalkeeping. Score at least one, but only if Aniket Pawar allows. Here's the pass to the other side through the gap. Pillai, it's good. And thank you for watching. See you guys next time. PCMC will see the next